Morning, everybody. It's an exciting day for me today. I'm going to try and paint the inside of the walls on the garage. And that, for me, is a big step forward to actually being able to kit it out and use it properly. I've actually managed to find a second-hand paint sprayer locally that I've bought, very reasonable price. And I'm going to try and spray the walls because I've got quite a big surface area. So rather than rollering it, it's quite a porous surface as well, which I think probably going to struggle. I'm going to try and spray it. The walls are reasonably dry. It has been raining quite a lot, but they seem reasonably dry. I've got a few damp patches, but I'm sure that's not going to be a problem. At the end of the day, we're painting block walls. I don't want it to be pristine. All I want it to be is neat and tidy and bright. So I'm going to show you the kit that I've bought and how we're going to use it, which I've never used one before as well. So I'm going to work it out as I go along, like I normally do, and we're going to give it a go. So let's have a look at this stuff and we'll go from there. So this is the kit. It's a Wagner Wall Perfect W687E, and as you can see, sort of got multiple purposes there. One's doing a shed, one's doing a door by the looks of it, another one's doing a wall. So let's have a look, see what we've got inside this. It's not been used, so it's absolutely brand new. Like I say, the lady bought it. She do her walls, but she never got around to it. So let's have a look. So obviously some kind of pot and a gun of some description. Another one, I don't know what the difference is. Looks like obviously that's got more volume we can get in there, so I'll probably be trying that one first. And this is the bit of kit, I assume, that powers it and blows, or whatever it does, the paint. The tube, I suppose, will go from there to one of the guns. And what else we got? Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. We'll have a little look. It's obviously a handle. Maybe you can attach it. I think you probably attach it to there, make it a little bit easier. And a few bits and bobs in here, which I'm sure, and some instructions if you need them. And yeah, don't know what that is, but let's have a look and we'll give it a go. So I'm going to try and set it up now, and once I'm set up, we'll come back and have a little look. Right, so I've set the kit up. It appears to be working. So if I turn it on, so this obviously generates the air which comes through here, which blows through the nozzle and takes the paint out of here. So I've stirred the paint. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill up this pot. There's something in here. What's this? What's that say? Vaseline. Some kind of washers. So I've stirred the paint. I'm going to try and fill up this now. Okay, so that's in. Right, let's give it a trial run, shall we? I think. look at that. Actually, that has taken a few minutes, literally, and I'm really happy with that for a first coat. I've got to say, that's got to be a lot quicker than roller in it. A lot quicker. So far so good. I have got that on maximum power, I think. No, I haven't got it on maximum, so it still could go up a little bit more than that. I'll mess around with it and we'll see how we get on. So, walls, ceilings, again, you know, I think I'm going to do another coat on the ceiling anyway, but you know, these walls are done and done exactly sort of how I wanted it. It's quite sort of garagey look. Yeah, really pleased with it, and in really good time as well. So, you know, here it is. It's the kit. I've cleaned it up. It's, you know, looking good as new. Water in the pot there, just blasted it through, and that was that. So didn't miss a beat. Really good bit of kit. So it's big thumbs up from me. Well, what can I say about this sprayer? That I'm really impressed with it. It's actually done exactly what I want it to do. I've done 2 coats on the wall. I've done a coat on the ceiling. I've done it in probably about 4 hours. It's really quick opposed to using the roller. Now I am doing it on block work, and as you can see behind me, you know, probably if you wanted it perfect, then maybe another coat. But you know, this is the sort of look I'm after, the sort of garage look. And it's done an absolutely cracking job. Easy to clean out. All I did was put water in the pot and blasted it through and give it a wipe, and it's come, you know, it's all clean. Really no issues doing that at all. So big thumbs up from me for the sprayer and how much time and how much easier it is to do with the roller. And also as well, I think I used a lot less paint. So, you know, what if I used... So probably used about 15 litres of paint. That's 2 coats on these walls. Guys, that's my video on spraying paint. Hopefully it gives you an idea if you're thinking about doing it. If you've got a big area to do, definitely worth. I didn't mess around with the nozzles too much. It's got plenty of room for sort of changing the spray angles and how much it flares out, all that sort of stuff. But on the whole, absolutely cracking bit of kit. I'll give it the big thumbs up, and definitely would use it again. Guys, if you like the video, it's helped you and you think that, you know, you've got something out of it, please give us the all important thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for any other sort of DIY stuff that you might be interested in. Hopefully there's some other content on there that might be useful to you. Anyway guys, take care.